Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will talk about constants. So remember when we were talking about default arguments on a functions? Well, constants are like pretty much similar to that, but they are used on a level of whole program. So let me explain. How to create them? Well, you'll say define, and inside of brackets you will have left side and the right side. So left side will be basically shortcut to right side. Let me explain. Let's say that system, the name of our system will be like SAP version 0.5, like switching access point or something like that. Don't forget to use semicolon. Okay. After that we will have, for example, legal notice. So define, when someone is accessing our system, we need to send terms of service to that person, something like that. So legal, okay, and the message to user will be please read terms of service, and next line define notice, legal notice, like, let me see, you will be kicked after 3 failed logins, something like that. So this can be used as a, well, as a configuration for game or something like that. You know, it depends what you're doing, but basically these things are constant. Once when you define them up here and at the top of the program, you can use them down there as many times you need. Okay, and now you can also define here special symbols or tags even. So HR, and then we will just use here HTML HR. Why? Because down there we are like creating a header for our like modem interface or system interface or something. Now when I refresh my page, nothing will happen because we have these things but we are not using it. Okay, so how to use it? You just say echo and then system. Okay, so the moment when you type this, okay, then in execution this will be printed. So this is like a shortcut to more content, okay, on a level of whole script. So refresh and there you go. Okay, so after that we can use many times any of those. So let's just do that, like echo and then HR. See, so the color of these things is different than the rest of the code, and you don't need to use double quotes here because it's already done on a level of definition. See, left side is under the quotes and right side actual string is under the quotes. And after that, let's say echo and legal, and you get the point at this point probably, and HR again, and then what else we can type? Notice, and then HR again, and what else we have? Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me simplify this thing a bit and save and refresh, and there you go. So basically you are saving yourself a little bit of time with these pre-definitions. Okay, so some people will say, well, can we use this into some kind of functions, because maybe it's a smarter idea to use function to group these things and you can use that function many times. Well, let's try that, like function message, and then operation will be just that thing down there. So let me fix this code, maybe like this, yeah, something like that, who cares. And don't forget to close your function. And now down there we will just call our function message, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now you will get same results here. Okay, and you can call it as many times you like down there into this script and so on. Oops, oh yeah, I didn't use semicolon, right? So common error, and there you go. thing works. So as I said, you can use it as configurational files, as an introduction to your old school, old type terminal applications, and so on. Pretty much cool stuff. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a short tutorial. You now know how to define constants. And as always, thank you for watching. See you next tutorial.